Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to add an image to our website or a page using HTML. So we see images everywhere in our lives, sometimes to describe software, sometimes just to make a page or a website look beautiful. Okay, so we are going to use this tag over here. So IMG, which means image, SRC, which means source, equals, and we're going to paste the link of it here. So what we have to do is I'm going to just minimize that. What we have to do is you have to search an image which we want to be our part of our page. So I selected my image over here. Okay, now what we have to do is we have to right click on it and click on copy image address. So why do we have to copy image address? Why not copy link address? Because the link is the website which is giving us this image. So let me show you what I mean. So if I click on that, it's gonna actually take you to the website. And that's the same thing if I click on it and click on copy link address, and if I come to a new tab and if I paste it, now you know there is a difference. Okay, this is a website and the image address, and if you right click on it and click on copy image address, it is an image. How can we make that sure? Firstly, we can make it sure by pasting the link in Google, and if you press enter here, we can see the image. And the second way, I'm just going to show you. So if you come to your VS Code, and we're just going to give it a bit of space to make it look more professional, and we're going to add the tag IMG, which means image again, SRC, which means source, equals, and then we're going to have to paste the link. Now close it. And now how to make sure the second way, if that is an image. So here, as you can see, it says .jpg. So it's an image format which actually tells us that it's an image. .jpg or png or svg or ICO. ICO is most likely icon. Okay, so we can press Ctrl S and we can come to our file explorer and we can open it from here, project. Okay, so here I'm gonna refresh it. So here we can see I got my image which I selected and copied the link, copy image address. So this is how you can actually add an image to your website. I'm gonna come back in my next video. Make sure to subscribe and thumbs up. Thank you. Bye bye.